Alright, I'm trying to get these first few little steps he's taken on video, but he's now obsessed with his basket hat. Oh, you gonna stand up? There you go. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here, Charlie. Come here. There. Look at you go. Oh, boom. Ah, good job. Good job. Good job, buddy. You did good. Here, stand up again. Okay. Oh, Mommy tripped you with her little foot. Good job.